Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is M. Lokesh Shahan. Today I am going to unbox this cube 2 into 2 cube. Now let me unbox it. It looks really pretty and shiny. Here we have a paper. See this one. This is a basic orgata method. It's a professional method of this cube. Now let me test this cube by shuffling and doing. Ready. It has been shuffled. Yeah, ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, it turns really fast and it's very pretty. Please buy, if you want to buy a 2 into 2 cube, it's an Amazon choice brand. Go into the Amazon and click UI 3 into 3 cube. Thank you for watching my video. Bye guys. And a thing for this video, target 5 likes. So please grant me it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye guys.